Welcome to Brush Ninja. This is a quick tutorial to cover the basics of making a simple animation. I'm not going to go in depth here, I just want to show how you can get something moving quickly. To start with, I will draw a circle with the brush. I'll use the smooth brush for this and pick a nice color. I will then go down here to the timeline and duplicate the first frame. I then switch to the select tool and move the circle right. Repeat this step a few more times. The circle is off the screen, so now I move the circle to the left and repeat the steps until the circle is back to where we began. Press play and we have our first animation. Congratulations! To make it smoother, I can increase the frame rate. Now I can export the animation as a GIF and send it to my friends. There's loads more to Brush Ninja. I didn't cover onion skinning or stickers or color palettes or audio or dozens of other features, so explore and enjoy. You can draw and animate whatever you like. Your only limit is your imagination.